To zoom in and out of your program monitor, go to Edit on your menu bar, go down to Keyboard Shortcuts. Here, simply type in the search bar zoom, and when we do that, you should be able to see different commands related to zoom. So we have a zoom tool with the shortcut Z, zoom in with the equal sign, zoom out, hyphen, minus. Scroll down and until you find the program monitor panel, and you can see the shortcuts we need are all empty. Now, to assign shortcuts, simply click towards the right side of the same row. So for example, zoom monitor in, I will click somewhere here and a box appears, and now you can type in the shortcut you like or you require. For me, for example, I would just use the same equal sign, and when I do that, you can see it has been added to zoom monitor in. Again, it's your preference, you can choose what shortcut you would like. For me, I prefer the equal sign. Now if you have something else in mind, again you can keep adding by simply clicking on the right side of the same command. And in this case, some people prefer the plus key on the number pad. That should be applied. The next one we have is zoom monitor out, and you'll repeat the same thing, right? You will click on the right side, give one click, box appears, and you will type in your shortcut. For me, again, it will be the dash or hyphen or minus. If you need another shortcut, which people prefer, again click on the same right side of the same command, a new box appears, and you will type in minus from the number pad, right? The same way, the last one we have is zoom monitor to fit, where we will again click towards the right side and type in this case 0. This will be my shortcut. And once you have done this, you can exit this window. Again, if you messed up anyway, don't worry about it. Simply, you can see on the top keyboard layout presets, just open it and switch back to Adobe Premiere Pro Default. Click on Adobe Premiere Pro Default and try again, right? Alright, once you have done creating your shortcuts, you can now close the windows. For me, it's here, it's kind of hidden from the monitor. Press OK, and now let's try it out. Make sure your program monitor is highlighted. This is your program monitor. So go to your program monitor, give a click. Now if you zoom in by pressing the plus, you can see we are able to zoom into the video. The same way, if I want to zoom out by pressing minus, you zoom out of the video. If I press 0, you will now fit in screen. Basically, you will fit the video exactly into your program monitor. Simply press the plus and you can zoom in. If you want to move around even after zooming in, just press the H on your keyboard for the hand tool. Some people refer to this as panning around. So you can pan around instead of using the scroller over here. Okay, so pan around. So zoom out, minus, press the minus. Zoom in, press the plus. Fit in screen, press 0. Alright, thank you for watching.